To other news now, the National Women in Construction Week kicked off today, recognizing the hardworking women that thrive in the male-dominated industry.
Today we're hearing from one local construction company on what they're doing to get more women into the field. And News 5's Lena Halland met with them today, and she's in studio with this story. Lena.
Well, the purpose of this week is to shine a light on this fast-moving industry and its need for more women across the nation. Construction does hold the stigma of being a male-dominated career path, but we met with one powerful group of women today, hoping to change that.
There's a lot to offer women in construction.
Kelly Eustace traded Barbie dolls for a hard hat growing up, which led her into the family business.
It's just not traditional or typical to see women in those roles. But I think the great thing is that more and more women are entering into those roles.
Now she's been the chief operating officer and owner of Heating and Plumbing Engineers Incorporated for 12 years.
The future looks really bright for the construction industry, especially nationally and in the Colorado market.
Still though, the National Association of Women in Construction says only 10% of employees in the construction field are women. And that's why recruiters for her company are actively seeking out more of them.
I am looking for women that do have that motivation and drive, are not afraid of entering a new industry, and can really embrace this industry for the beautiful thing that it is.
A driving incentive, they tell us. The pay gap is closing between men and women.
If you're qualified and you have that motivation and that drive, you are absolutely rewarded and recognized for your hard work.
If you want to be in construction, don't be afraid to get into it.
Brittany McLean is just starting to get her toes wet in the industry. A former intern turned part-time employee as she finishes off her construction management degree at CSU Pueblo.
I love seeing stuff go from a dirt field to this big building, and just the transition between and all the inner workings of it. I think it's really cool just to be able to have your hands in that and drive down the road and be I built that.
Since stepping into this role, she's realized there's much more to it than may meet the eye.
It's definitely not just something that you're going to be manual labor, building something all the time. There's actually a different side of it, and I think that's really cool to see that you don't have to be in the field in this industry to go anywhere.
Women in Engineering Week goes through Saturday. Heating and Plumbing Engineering Incorporated is always looking for new women to join their team in all aspects of the construction industry. We've posted their information on our website at KOAA.com.